Good Monday morning, everyone. A little difference in the air today. The excessive heat is gone. The temperatures are down a bit, and we're looking at just more typical summertime heat and humidity with highs today climbing to the middle 80s. We go from that risk of the high heat to the concern for some thunderstorms. We'll talk about that in just a moment, but for the heat index today, a more tolerable mid-80s. Yes, it is going to be warm and muggy, but not as oppressive. Let's talk about the thunderstorms because we are concerned about some isolated severe weather. Storms that could contain some heavy downpours, lightning, but in addition to that, some damaging wind gusts, some small hail, as well as a low risk for an isolated tornado. Here's the setup. We've got a front stalled to the south of us, and two waves of low pressure will ride along that front and give us some fairly widespread showers with downpours. So the first wave of low pressure approaches by this evening. That's when we have our highest chance of seeing those showers and storms, and we're talking after 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening. Out ahead of that, though, we do have to watch for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Low pressure will again lift to the north and east of us, and a second wave approaches for Tuesday. So during the morning and at least through the early afternoon on Tuesday, another round of rain with downpours expected. As that low departs, it'll taper to just some leftover showers. So over the next 2 days, we will get a decent soaking across the area, about 1 to 2 inches of rain expected with some isolated higher amounts. After that, a beautiful stretch of weather ahead for us starting Wednesday, and it looks like it lasts into the weekend.